Hi, I'm Tasha, your eager teacher of English. Welcome to my channel and thank you for visiting. It's been quite some time, but I'm back. Not from COVID. I just had too much to do at work. Anyway, we're still talking about adjectives, but these are the last six videos and they are short. After which I'll teach verbs. So our topic this time is when to use a little and a lot. There's a quiz, so please watch till the end and check your answers. Let's have a look. A little is used for uncountable nouns to indicate that something is of lesser amount. Example, I have little time to spare. Just put a little glue and stick that sign near the entrance. In conversation, what would you like for breakfast? Cereal or toast? Just a little cereal, please. That's all. What about a lot? This is used for uncountable nouns to indicate that something is much. Example, I don't have a lot of time at the moment. It means I'm very busy. Cacti growers can spend a lot of money on certain varieties. And in conversation, what happened to your cactus? Oh, I put a lot of water, so they died. Here's a quiz. There you are. I'll give you 10 seconds to do that. Check your answer. Here you are. So, if you have any questions, please write them on the comments below and I'll get back to them in the next videos. And if you find the contents useful, please subscribe and share to those you think might need them, especially in this time of modular classes. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.